The idea for the telephone may have begun with a prediction by Francis Bacon in 1627. Over the next 2 centuries, many learned men, now mostly unknown to the general public, independently or building on others' ideas, developed scientific breakthroughs which eventually led to the telephone. The word telephone is derived from the Greek words tele, or far away, and phone, or voice. Although Alexander Graham Bell is given credit, there will always be some debate as to who actually invented the first real telephone. It is known that on June 2, 1875, Bell transmitted the sound of his assistant, Thomas A. Watson, plucking a tuned spring.
It was like nothing ever heard before.
And that on February 14, 1876, he filed the first telephone patent, U.S. number 174,465, which has been called the most valuable patent ever issued. Bell's filing came only hours before his main competitor, Elisha Gray, filed a notice of invention for a telephone. Later, Western Electric, co-founded by Gray, would become one of Bell's major competitors. Bell was not yet 30 years old when on March 10, 1876, he became the first to succeed in transmitting speech when he spoke the immortal words,
"Mr. Watson, come here. I want you."
Almost 1 year later, on January 30, 1877, Bell filed another patent for an electrodynamic transmitter-receiver telephone. Bell's first telephone, built by Watson, looked odd and acted strangely and was also highly impractical as it incorporated a wire floating in an acid-filled cup. Bell soon improved his design by using an electromagnetic transmitter, a metal diaphragm, and a permanent magnet.
Hello?
A true telephone had been invented, one which would eventually evolve into the myriad of versions used in the 21st century.
You mark my words, dear. The time will come when we will all use it. Well, we may even talk with distant cities.
With distant cities. Oh, John, you're such a